Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and if you're obsessed with eyelashes like I am, this Colossal Big Shot from Maybelline is going to give your eyelashes a real wow factor. It's really easy to apply, and with only a few coats, my lashes look amazing. So after I curl them, I put on 3 coats. This is what it looks like with just one, and you can just wear it just one if you just want a regular everyday look. After 2 coats, this is what it looks like. And if you're going to a big event or something, you might want to put 3 coats. I'm obsessed with lashes, but mine fall flat so quickly with most mascaras, and I found that this formula really keeps my lashes curled all day long. This is yesterday's makeup. I know that's bad, but you can see that it's not even flaking or there's no fallout, and I also don't have raccoon eyes. So if you're looking for a mascara that's really going to hold up even on long days, this one's going to do it. And that's my point of view.